Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to complete the color set in Monopoly Go. In Monopoly Go, the game board is divided into different color sets, each containing two properties of the same color. These sets are green, blue, red, orange, and yellow. To complete a color set, you need to collect both properties of the same color. You can do this by landing on the corresponding property spaces on the game board or by using action cards. As you move around the game board, you may land on property spaces. If the property space you land on is part of an incomplete color set, you have the option to purchase it. Once you own both properties of a color set, that set is complete. Action cards can also help you complete color sets. Some action cards allow you to take properties from other players or acquire properties that you need to complete your color sets. Once you complete a color set by owning both properties of the same color, you earn points. The number of points you earn depends on the color set and its rarity. Rarer color sets typically yield more points. Owning both properties in a color set also allows you to collect rent when other players land on those properties. This can be a good source of income to help you buy more properties and complete more color sets. To be successful in Monopoly Go, it's important to strategize and plan which color sets you want to focus on completing. Consider the point values and rarity of the sets to make informed decisions. Pay attention to what color sets your opponents are collecting, and try to prevent them from completing sets by taking advantage of action cards or making strategic property purchases. In Monopoly Go, the objective is to reach a certain point goal before your opponents. You earn points by completing color sets and taking other actions in the game. The first player to reach the point goal wins the game. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.